We're getting some breaking news. Row over Kerala Story 2 now escalates. Filmmaker Anurag Kashyap slams Kerala Story 2. Anurag Kashyap says Kerala Story 2 is a propaganda movie. And after this attack by Anurag Kashyap, Kerala Story 2 director has hit back at filmmaker Anurag Kashyap. The director Kamakhya has said that Kashyap's films have flopped over the years, and in fact he goes on to say that our film is based on true incidents and that Kashyap has become mentally weak. So this is what the Kerala Story 2 director has said while hitting back at Anurag Kashyap. Remember, Anurag Kashyap has slammed the Kerala Story 2 movie, calling it a propaganda movie, after which the director Kamakhya Singh has hit back, calling Kashyap mentally weak, and also stating that Kashyap's films have flopped over the years. And Kamakhya has also in fact reiterated that the film Kerala Story 2 is based on true incidents.
मुझे कोई नाराजगी नहीं है, आप लोग उनको ज्यादा सीरियसली लेते हैं, ऑडियंस तो लेती नहीं है। पिछले कई सालों से उनकी सारी फिल्में फ्लॉप हो रही हैं, वो मानसिक रूप से दुर्बल हो चुके हैं, वो उनको सच्चाई दिखता नहीं है, उनको ये नहीं दिख रहा कि हमारी बहनों को जबरन बीफ खिलाया जा रहा है धर्म परिवर्तन करने के लिए। ये सत्य घटना है। तो अगर उनको उससे समस्या है, उनको पूरी दुनिया से समस्या है। उनको नेटफ्लिक्स से समस्या है, उनको ब्राह्मणों से समस्या है, उनको फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से समस्या है, आजकल हमसे समस्या है उनको।
And my colleague Sana Farzeen is now joining us on the story. Sana, a war of words has now erupted between filmmaker Anurag Kashyap and the Kerala Story 2 director Kamakhya Singh. And Anurag Kashyap has called Kerala Story 2 a propaganda movie.
Absolutely, and he called it propaganda news, of course, expletives, and he also mentioned that the purpose of this film is basically to make money. He said the filmmaker is greedy, he just wants money, and he wants to please everybody and divide people. And he also referred to the scene, that controversial scene around the beef eating, the forcefully beef eating, and he mentioned that ऐसे कौन खिलाता है, ऐसे तो कोई खिचड़ी भी नहीं खिलाता है. And now the director has hit back and kind of defended his film, and he mentioned that it's not just about khichdi or beef, but it's about consent. And he mentioned how there have been issues like this where people have been fed beef forcefully and asked to convert their religion. And his film is based on real life incidents. And he also shot back at Anurag Kashyap, saying that he's being mentally unstable and he has an issue not just with him but the film industry from Netflix. And he also referred to his films, the recent films that he's done, and how they've not worked, and how the industry has also now started to not take Anurag Kashyap seriously. And this was his point, that he can go ahead and say anything he wants, but he is not taking any of it seriously. And he urged his audiences to not take Anurag Kashyap's comment seriously, because he believes that his film is based on real life incidents, and it's inspired from very true cases. And it's not just the first time. Ever since the Kerala Story 2 teaser, the trailer came out, people have been having divided reactions on it. The Kerala CM also called the film poisonous and it's false propaganda. Therefore, it's very divided. There have been a lot of controversy around it, and now the director defending not just his film but also accusing Anurag Kashyap to be mentally weak, mentally unstable, and saying things just for the sake of it. And he also urged people to not take him seriously.
All right, Sana, do stay with us. Sana Farzeen continues to stay with us. Sana, which are the particular scenes that have actually stoked this controversy which have been shown in the trailer of the movie?
First, of course, there have been a lot of controversy around. The major controversy is around that scene where this Hindu girl is being forced to beef, and she's been forced to convert to Islam, and that scene has just kind of created a lot of stir on social media. And as I was telling you, the Kerala CM also posted about it. A lot of social media pages on Kerala have been doing a lot of memes around it, and just kind of rubbishing all of this. They maintain that this is false, this is propaganda. And then there are a couple of other scenes where the man is hitting the woman. They've been forced to convert to religion, their religion. And Kerala Story, the first part, also spoke about the same topic. And now this also is talking about how women are being lured into romances, into love relationship, and then forced to convert their religion. And this is how the controversy has erupted around the film. That a lot of people in Kerala have come out and defended themselves that this is not true and you cannot kind of target one state. However, the filmmaker, not just on his social media post but on his multiple interviews, has mentioned that this is not just about one state, but it's about what is happening in this country. They have claimed that this is all true. This has been inspired from real life incidents. But not just Anurag Kashyap, but there have been a lot of multiple people in
All
the
right.
industry who claimed that this is all false claims.
All right, Sana, thank you so much for all those details and for that context. So, Anurag Kashyap, filmmaker Anurag Kashyap, is the latest one from the industry to slam the movie and the movie makers. He has called Kerala Story 2 a propaganda movie, after which Kerala Story 2 director has hit back, calling Anurag Kashyap mentally weak.